So we are going to empty our tanks because we are in an RV park in Alabama that's not full hookup. We have water and electric, but no sewer. So once a week we dump our black tank, and then every other day we empty our gray.
So for those of you who don't know, the black tank is the dirty, disgusting poo-poo tank. That's where all your peeps and poops and excess toilet water goes.
Which way are you going?
Oh, I'm gonna go this way. It's fine. I'll go the back way.
Yep,
Now, we've got a little spot we have to drive to around the corner. It's got a little cement pad with a hole in it. It's plugged up with little plastic cork, essentially. And yeah, we get to go drive our little, well, we'll show you in a second here. We've got a little poo caddy that, oh, there's the manager. Everybody wait. No, she's not paying attention. Yeah, we've got our little poop wagon, which is what somebody's called it. I thought they were talking about a porta potty. It was in North Carolina. They called it a poop wagon. I thought he was talking about the porta potty.
Wind at this park in Denver, strong enough to lift those porta potties and send them flying into the air.
But, you know, to each their own. So here we are. It's a tight turn here. I'm going to have to back it up briefly. You can't really back up a whole lot with carrying the poop wagon because it starts to rotate and turn at a, oh, that's gross. There's a butterfly on the poopy tank. Or on the pad.
So that's where we empty it right there.
Yeah. So let's go check it out here. I'm going to leave the car running because it's hot as heck outside. Keep the AC going.
Yep, with the humidity, it's on average around 100, between 100 and 104 degrees every day.
So, definitely you're going to want some gloves.
You've had this pair of extra gloves this whole time?
Yeah, we're in the Rockies.
You know, we've done it before without gloves, but you know, I don't recommend it. It's more of something you want to do if you got about 2 bottles at dawn that you want to clean your hands with afterwards.
Yep. Alright.
So I'm going to snap on this little piece here. It's got a little cup-shaped tube on it.
Attaches to our truck.
Just a short little one
then
here. Here's a little cover I was talking about. So gloves, obviously.
Extra gloves.
And unscrew it. That little pipe goes down to their septic. Gonna sit that there. Fits nice and neat. Keeps any excess stink from coming out of it. It fits pretty good. So, yeah, ours has a little metal thing you put on the hitch here, and you just, well, sometimes it gets stuck. And this is very full, so it weighs probably about 100 pounds right now. 100 pounds, well, you're gonna find out.
Poop again! He got poop!
And no.
We like to pull out just, well, yeah, that's nice. See?
He accidentally overfilled it a
I
little bit.
overfilled it, so, you know, you get to see the X-rated part here.
You live and you learn.
We're going to screw this top on. Erica tends to put her foot down on that to keep it down because you really don't want to have a lot of a spill, which is going to happen. So here you go. We get to tilt this guy up, and it's not always pleasant. This is and of course ours has a leak. So, but we do have a hose that we spray everything down with. We spray it all down out of there, make it nice and as sanitary as possible.
Yeah, there's a hose right here, and it's on a concrete pad, so as long as it all stays on there, we just
do need another short hose. I'm not sure how it got leaking in.
empty out.
But yeah, essentially gravity does its job here. It rolls out down that tube.
And then we just put the hose through here and rinse it out. So
Yep.
We'll do that now. So we hose off the little pad off just when we're done. Just kind of a courteous thing to do. We still have to empty out the tank one more time. We
just grabbed the very tip of that because I took my gloves off.
we usually do 3 to 4 flushes of our black tank until it runs clear, and we just know that everything's put away.
Back on. Put our back cap back on. But you know, even though you're wearing gloves, definitely wash yourself up. Shower if you feel that dirty. I might shower. But this little handle here, this actually comes off, which is cool. But put it underneath, plop it under, and throw it back on your hitch.
And then we drive back and do a couple more flushes.
Just show it. I'll drive it for a second here, just because.
but it just rides on the back. Can't go very far or very fast, just a few miles an hour. So that is how you empty a tank.